I was good on my own, it's the way it was.
It's the way it was.
You was good on the love for a faded fire. On some faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded now. Used to trip out the shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we should say. We
Don't get it twisted.
Yeah.
Okay. And she.
You were just a nigga.
Yeah.
Nothing you need me.
This give me the Holy Ghost.
Confess, oh baby, you need me. Boy, you been rolling around, should I roll it up? Let it roll it up. Oh mama, I just shot a man down in Central Station in front of a big old crowd. Oh mama, I just shot a man down. Meet me at 11:30. At 11 when you're talking dirty, said I'm so anxious. Boy, we'll quit this stalling. You know I'm a sexaholic. Did you get my message? Your expressions is telling me that you've been thinking the same thing. I've been thinking. You say you're working. Well, hit me just as soon as your shift is over. And I'll be waiting. Cause I can't sleep. I'm reminiscing about you and what we do. Hit me back. Meet me at 11:30. 11 when you're talking dirty. Said I'm so anxious. As soon as you hit the door, I'ma pull you down on the floor. And before you get to touch the bed, baby, back up every word you said. And before you get to hit the lights, and before we start the candlelight, baby girl, I wanna bump and grind, cause it's something that is on my mind. Until the next time we meet.
Or me. It's me.
But I know the last is your heart. One still beauty is mine. So we will never be apart. Once by me every day. Him and love are the same. The man that stole it.
Ready, set, go.
Okay.
And
I
while
think
you
it should,
doing,
okay.
what you was finna say?
I was gonna say it should be, and then it should go down. It should
Yeah, that's what I was saying. While you
Okay.
was doing it, I was gonna be like.
But I mean, wait, you mean saying that at the same time? I'm
I
saying
wanna
do
see
it
how
one
it's
after the other. Oh, didn't we just do it at the same time?
No, I'm saying like I'm gonna go ahead.
Oh,
go ahead.
you were playing the one I was playing.
No, exactly. So okay.
Now you want me to play? You want me to play the low one?
No. You play the high one, and I'm gonna play the low one while you're playing the high one.
Oh, I thought that's what you were doing. The high one.
I was playing right. That was right. While you're playing yours.
Okay.
The high.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8. I be writing, I don't even be knowing how I be coming up with stuff. I just be writing stuff.
Okay, then write some.
Yeah, but I don't know what to write. We just need some words to go with this beat.
It's
So
been a while now.
I like that first sentence. It's been a while now. And now let's try. See, it's been a while. It's been a while for.
Since I've
felt free. Free. When I'm such a person. Every time I write music, it always got to be relationship wise. I don't know why, and it don't be pertaining to nobody. It just, I don't know. It's just naturally like I'm a love type of person. I don't know.
It's been a while now since I felt free.
I was gonna say, but when I met you, it's like I found me.
As long as the me, you is you, not a boy.
Okay. It's
You
been
know?
a while now since I free feet. I could look at it in that way. I don't have to look at it in that way.
because
That's
you're
my
not
problem.
gonna find yourself
Exactly.
in anybody.
And that's true. So it's like, why am I? Okay, I don't have to look at it in that way just because it's you. I could be talking about myself.
100%.
Okay.
So, but I like what you just said. So it's been a while now since I felt free, but when I found you, I found me. Okay, I like that.
Okay. But when I.
Don't get it twisted. Don't get